Are you losing customer because your support team can't reply fast enough? What if I told you that 90% of your SaaS support tickets can be handled automatically on WhatsApp 24/7 without hiring extra staff or writing a single line of code? Sounds powerful? Yes. So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I built this powerful WhatsApp AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow. But before we dive into the step-by-step tutorial of how you can create this automated AI assistant, let me give you a quick overview of how it will work in real time by sending a simple hi message to this AI assistant. Once I send the message, immediately you will see the AI assistant will reply to me like this, that hello, how can I assist you today? So I am asking one question to this AI assistant, that share me the services you are offering. Then it shares me the variety of services they are offering. Let's say I am facing a technical issue, so I am sending a message, and once I send the issue, you will see the AI assistant will gives me the steps of solving this problem automatically by providing me all these steps that can solve my problem. Now I am asking the question to this WhatsApp AI assistant, that what should I do if my account shows inactive? Then it shares me the solution of this problem too. So this is how the AI assistant will works in real time. Not only this, it can solve all of your user queries without you touching your phone. At the end of this tutorial, you will be also create this type of automated WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business too. But before we move ahead, I just want to share something extremely valuable with you. If you also want to create this type of automated WhatsApp AI assistant for your SaaS support, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. You have worked hard to build your business. Now let Pabbly handle repetitive works for you so you can focus on the real growth instead of manual tasks. It can do 90% of your staff work. Yes, now let's start the creation of this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant from the scratch. At first, open a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. After that, you will come on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. In this page, on the right hand side, you will see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this access now button, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. You can also add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus add WhatsApp number button. Once you click on it, it will provide you two options, name as WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. For both of these steps, check the description below for the video link. And on the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, name as Inbox, Contacts, Team Queues, Templates, Broadcast, Flows, AI Assistant, Activity Log, WhatsApp Payment Settings, and Get Help. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I have shared the link of the video in the description below. As we are creating an AI assistant, so I will go in this AI assistant feature. After that, you will come in this page where you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. In few minutes, you will understand how you can create an AI assistant and what is knowledge base. As we are creating a new AI assistant, so I will click on this plus add AI assistant button. Next, it will ask me to give the name to this AI assistant that I am going to enter as. This AI assistant handles 90% of SaaS support tickets. As I told you earlier, in this video, we are going to create an AI assistant for SaaS support tickets. That's why I have given the assistant name as this. But whether you run a real estate service based or any other business, you can customize the same AI assistant for that too. The logic will be the same. After giving the name to this AI assistant, I will click on this plus add AI assistant button and see. This is the starting point of creating your AI assistant, where at first you have to select the instructions type that I'm going to select as AI agent. See, instructions type defines how the AI should behave and how it will reply to your user. In simple words, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow while replying to your user. You can also make the changes in this instructions if you want to. Next one is the temperature. Temperature controls the creativity level of AI assistant, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while higher temperature gives flexible and creative responses. responses. Next one is the AI model provider that I'm going to select as OpenAI. After that, the model I'm going to select as GPT-4o mini. Next, the API key field where you have to paste the API key. Now, for getting this API key, you just have to click on this OpenAI API keys page link. After that, you will come in this OpenAI platform where you have to click on this plus create new secret key button. Next, the name is an optional. You can enter it in this field if you want to. After that, the project I'm going to select as default project. Next, the permission I'm going to set as all. Next, I will click on this create secret key button and see I got the API key, so I'm copying this from here and going to paste it in this field. After pasting the API key, you just have to click on this connect button and see it says that OpenAI key saved successfully. Moving forward are the AI assistant settings with some options where the first one is the header message. The header message is the message that sends to the user at the starting of the conversation, as it is usually used for sending a welcome message or short introduction. So if you want to add any header message, then you can enable this toggle and enter the message in this box. Next one is the footer message. The footer message is the message that sends to the user at the end of the conversation, as it is usually used for thank you messages or contact information. After that, the stop keywords. The stop keywords are those words that stop the AI assistant. For example, you have entered some stop keyword in this field. Let's say I entered as stop, and the user will send this keyword to the AI assistant while communicating with them. The AI assistant will become stop, and on that point, human inputs is required to restart the conversation. Here, I am not adding any stop keywords, but you can add it if you want to. Next one is the retry attempts. Retry attempts is defined as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your users if something goes wrong. You can increase the retry attempts till 10 if you want to. Moving forward are the fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the user if your assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as a wrong API key or a connection problem. Then on that point, this fallback message is going to be sent to the users for the better conversation. Here I have entered the fallback messages. I am here to assist with questions related to company information or support. If you have any questions about our services or need assistance with something specific, feel free to ask. Here I enter the fallback messages this, but you can customize it completely based on your own choice. Now I am moving forward to the knowledge source where you have to upload the knowledge source file. Now what is knowledge source? So knowledge source is the information bank for AI assistant. With knowledge source, AI assistant will give business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge source, AI assistant gives general responses. As in this tutorial, we are going to build an AI assistant for SaaS support. So for that, I have already designed one knowledge base file. See, this is the knowledge base file for SaaS AI support assistant, where I have entered all the related information regarding the SaaS support, including the queries, solutions, and some FAQs too. So this is how the knowledge source file look like. You can make the changes in it completely based on your own business. After that, download this file in the PDF format. Until the file gets downloaded, I want you to know that the size of your file should be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. See, our knowledge source file is downloaded successfully. So I am dragging and dropping this file here, and see, the knowledge source file is successfully uploaded. After that, the next one is the assistant interface, where you can design your AI assistant by making changes in each of these fields. At first, I am going to enter heading as AI assistant for SaaS support, and you can see that as soon as I have entered the heading in this field, it will automatically change here too, as this is the final look of the AI assistant that are going to visible in front of your user. Next, the subheading I have entered as we are online and happy to assist you, as it is visible here. And the initial message I have write that hi there, how can I help you today? Here I have added only one initial message, but you can add two. Next one is the label that is powered by Pabbly. You can disable it from here if you want to. And the next one is footer text that I have entered as privacy policy, also added footer link to. And the user first message written as I need help, that I am going to replace with hello. Now I am moving forward to the styling, where you can give style to your assistant by making changes in its themes, colors, shapes, and many more, as it is looking good. So I am not changing it, but you can customize it from here if you want to. Next, I am enabling this toggle so that my assistant will become active, and clicking on the save AI assistant button, and see the AI assistant saved successfully. So this is how easy the setup of the AI assistant is. The next one is the embed button. With the help of this button, you can access your AI assistant inside your websites or any other applications too. So this is how interesting it is. So not only one place, you can set your AI assistant everywhere. here, completely based on your choice. So this is the magic of Pabbly Chatflow. After doing the setup of the AI assistant, you just have to click on the settings option and click on this inbox settings. I am opening this in a new tab. Now I am going to do the selection of contacts. See, this is the inbox settings where you have to scroll down and you will see an option by the name of AI auto reply settings, where you just have to make sure that this toggle is always enabled, that is enable AI auto replies. After that, select the contact list from here that I am going to select as all contacts. Next, the AI assistant I am going to select as this, that is this AI assistant handles 90% of SaaS support tickets that we have designed recently. After that, I will click on the save button and see it says that inbox settings saved successfully. So this is how easy you can assign the AI assistant for your all contacts. But if you want to set the AI assistant for any specific user, and then you just have to click on this inbox feature. After that, select the contacts on whom you have to set your AI assistant. Next, choose the AI assistant from here by selecting it from this drop down and click on the save button and see how easy you can assign the AI assistant to any specific user. Now the setup of our AI assistant is completed. If you face any difficulties or you have any questions while doing the setup of this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And if you want me to create a specific AI assistant for your own business, then comment your business name below. I will create a tutorial on it too. This automated WhatsApp AI assistant will give instant replies to your users in real time like this 24/7 without you touching your phone. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.